Hello, I'm going to be teaching you how to create blockchain account. On this presentation. You just need to be attentive. The presentation is going to take very short time. Let's look at it. You enter HTTP. Of course, I've logged in into the same site of recent and some other sites. You can see that's why it pops up as the first. You can see it here. This is what you are going to enter on your address bar. Then you hit your enter button and wait for the page to load. Depends on the speed of your network. Sometimes it will just take few minutes or few seconds rather to load, and my network here seems to be a bit slow. We are still moving it. Get started. You can use sign up or you can use get started button. Depends on whichever one you choose to use. Of course, I clicked on get started button. Get started button will take you to the page where you'll be able to enter the details, the requirements for everything you need to do to make sure you have a very good and reasonable blockchain. Let's see it. Get started. Here we go. Um, yes, so let's stop this. Speed up our network. It's a bit slow here, of course. It contributes to it. It's loading, it's loading. You can see it here. You can simply click on this. It's very simple. These are some of the chains we have used before, because this a laptop used by more users. You choose your password because you can choose let's see, you need to choose a very strong password, of course. Am I okay with that? Okay, it's match. Let's you click on your create wallet. It's as simple as that. Let's wait for it to load. Like I told you, or you can see wallet successfully created. You quickly add your tab here. One more tab, Gmail. I want to log in into that account. Gmail, my Gmail, my Gmail. It's the inbox of another. It depends on the here sign in, next, of course. And to enter my password, I hope I still remember this password. A bit difficult. Next, is it going? Of course it should. Yeah, it is. Oh, let me save it. Oh, if you know it's not your personal computer, don't save the password. But if it is your personal computer, you can go on and save the password. Take note of that. So we click on confirm. Confirm what? Confirm. Let's see. I've confirmed that it is all mine. Of course, you would see everything will be simply fixed. Yes, so that is the message. Please verify your email address. Yes, this is my email. Click on yes, this is in my email, and it will take you to the blockchain wallets page. Yeah, we are waiting for the confirmation. Your email is verified. Of course, we are done. It's as simple as that. Back to where we were. Yep. So cool. You can see that email has been successfully verified. All right, all right, all right. You see it? This is my complete blockchain wallet. Now, talk of sending money to somebody. You click on send here. Send. You see send Bitcoin. Send Bitcoin. You can quickly paste the person's address here. Address is the key that looks something like blah 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 with numbers that someone sends to you. Then you can set the amount in dollars. If I want to send $120, this is the count in BTC. Description for registration. For registration, okay. For registration. So for registration, we may move. Of course, network fee, insufficient fund. Yes, don't mind this. You know, the blockchain is actually working on everything and it is perfect. This are proof to you for you to see that it is a perfect block work. If this address is not correct, it will write invalid Bitcoin address. If it is correct, all these things will be marked. You can see the amount here. I wrote $120 because I do not have sufficient balance. It quickly told me there is no sufficient balance. You fill in those places and click continue. It will take you down there. And if you want to receive any payment, of course, this is where your address is. Our address is automatically created already. If you copy, you have copied your address. If you want to receive from anybody, you send that address to the person. Immediately you send it across, the person will forward your um, Bitcoin to you and it will appear here. The current price of Bitcoin is $13,083.26. You can imagine that it is really going high. Of recent, it was $10,000 to $11,000. Let's say 2 months ago. Now it's hit 13,000. Boom. That means 2,000 plus difference has entered the system, and that is how you earn from it. So there is a tab to borrow. You can as well earn interest by investing your sub money, then buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Here you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies in various countries. That is not part of what we come here for. Of course, you have seen how to create blockchain wallet. It's as simple as that. See you some other time. I remain your best friend, your tutor, James. And Imicro is the one giving you all this beautiful tutorial. Keep growing with the right mind. One love.